Hello and welcome. Welcome back mga kapatid. I love you guys and I miss you all. Palagi po yan. So, let's dive in about your person on your mind. Sino itong ka-deal mo ngayon? Itong taong iniisip mo. So, before you continue this reading, pause nyo muna ang reading na ito. And guys, paalala ko lang, pakilakasan na lang po ng video or ng volume ng reading na ito dahil hindi ko po gamit ang aking microphone. So, yeah, pause muna and think about the person or isalarawan nyo muna sa inyong isipan ng taong gusto mong malaman ang kanyang mensahe para sa inyo or anong current message niya para sa inyo. Yeah, feelings. Alright? So, Spirit Angels, sino itong kadil ng ating mga collective? The person on their mind. Whoever watched this reading, collective, the person on their mind. So, the world, you are spying this person. Meron kasi itong ini-spy mong taong ito. Wow, ang dami. Okay, ang taong iniwan ka, binitray ka, pinag-usapan ka, sinira ka. Meron naman dito ang taong tumulong sa'yo. Meron dito guys, yung iba. I think ikaw yung usap-usapan or, yeah, siguro lately ikaw naging topic ng taong ito. Alamin natin kung ano yung topic niya tungkol sa inyo. Yeah, let's get this. Marriage, family member. It could be your soulmate, partner. Okay, ilayo natin na to. Layo na lang. Kasi ito yung parang medyo nega. Like again guys, kunin nyo lang guys ha kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi naman para yun sa iba natin mga kapatid na nanonood dito. Huwag po tayong bitter. And iba-iba yung mga sitwasyon natin. And love po tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel. So, let's get the message from this person. Yeah, you might be spying. So, yeah, you are thinking right now, the person na ini-spy mo, chine-check mo, crush mo siguro siya. And wala siguro kayong communication. This could be your ex. Yeah, maybe this person betrayed you. Or, like again guys, may relationship, crush, admirer, co-worker, kaklase, kapitbahay, or soulmate. Dealing with a soulmate. Yeah, I'm hearing like twin flame could be. Yung iba dito. Alright, Spirit Angels, how this person feel towards our collective, the person on their mind. Ano ang tunay na nararamdaman ng taong ito sa ating mga collective ngayon? Okay. Ano ang tunay na nararamdaman ng taong ito sa ating mga collective, the person on their mind? Oh, okay. Fantasy, wow, daydreaming. This person is daydreaming about you, imagining about you, fantasize, wow. Okay, maybe this person is watching you secretly or, anong tawag dito? Nakikichismis. Yes, nakikichismis ang taong ito. Maybe this person, baka kilala niya yung family mo, no? I don't know, something about like family or friends. Yeah. Yeah, nakikibalita tungkol sa inyo. Maybe this person might be talking about you recently. Ikaw siguro ang usap-usapan o pinag-uusapan ng taong ito sa mga kaibigan niya, katrabaho niya, could be a family member, pinagpapantasyahan ka ng taong ito. Ano pa? Spying on you, isa siya sa nag-spy sa inyo. Meron kasi ditong this could be related sa ex or coworker, kaklase, in-spy ka ng taong ito, in-stalk ka niya. Yeah, no communication. Yeah, malayo kayo, may distance sa inyo ng taong ito. Broken, like again, broken, shattered, heartbroken, destroyed. Ex, nakipag-break up. Ikaw siguro itong nakipag-break up sa taong ito. But this person still fantasizing about you. Pinagpapantasyahan ka pa rin ng taong ito. Ikaw pa rin ang laman ng kanyang isipan. And sa dami-dami ng nakikilala niya, ikaw pa rin, ikaw lang ang gusto niya at wala ng iba. Kaya lang, siguro may mga trust issue na nasira dito. May mga bagay siguro na hindi na kailangan maibalik pa. Yeah. Ano pa? How this person feel towards our collective? Yeah. Channeled message sa ating mga collective. Return. Yes, second chance, opportunity, making amends. Yung iba sa inyo dito, the person on your mind, may plano makipagbalikan. Yung iba sa inyo dito, ayaw na. Ayaw mo na kasi wala na, sira na yung trust. May mga trust issue ka na. But this person still fantasizing you. Ikaw pa rin ang pinagpapantasyahan niya. Ikaw lang at wala ng iba, kaya siya ay magpabalik. Maybe kailangan lang may maayos. Ayusin, no? Ayusin yung nasira na. It could be a family, yes. I don't know, a relationship about family. Like again, guys, may mixed energy, relationship, friendship, coworker, kaklase siguro, or friends, family member, relationship. Like again, guys, mixed tayo dito, no? Yes, a family member is returning. May babawi siya, no? Maybe this person cheated, nagsisinungaling. Yeah, ang tao ito ay nagpaplanong bumalik sa buhay mo, make amends, ayusin yung mga nasira. One day, wow, one day. Someday, somewhere, another time, magbabalik pa rin siya. Yes, there will be a reconciliation, pagbabalikan. Gusto ng taong itong ibabalik ang inyong nasirang samahan. Siguro, hinahabol siya ng konsensya. Maybe you might be dealing with a person na successful. Yung iba dito, yes. It could be, I don't know, something about like celebrity. It could be celebrity or like a teacher, a coach. Yeah, something about like maybe this person's going to reach out kasi mag-message siya. I don't know, parang related sa finances, pagtutulungan. There could be an offer about business or related sa studies. Yeah, namimiss ng taong ito ang inyong samahan. And that's why this person want to amends. Maybe break the silence. Walang pag-uusap. Yeah, one day, may pag-asa pa para sa inyo. Communication. Yeah, chemistry. Attraction, spark, passion. May chemistry pa rin siya nararamdaman sa inyo. Malakas, na starstruck ang taong ito sa inyo. Okay. Ano pa? Channeled message. It is about love. The person on their mind. Anong nararamdaman ng taong ito sa ating mga collective at this moment? Feelings. Alright. Sometimes, I stay awake thinking about you. See? Fantasizing about you. Thinking about, iniisip pa rin niya, guys, mga kapatid, anong nagawa niyang pagkakamali? Or, bakit binalak mo siya? Yeah. I don't know, may mga questions siya, no? Bakit binalak mo siya? Or, parang wala siyang access sa inyo. No communication. Yeah. And that's why this person just fantasizing about you. Nakikichismis tungkol sa inyo. Thinking about the past, what this person done wrong. Yeah. Or reminiscing from the past about the chemistry. Yeah. Para bang meron ditong na love spell. I'm hearing like love spell. Yeah. I want to tell you how I feel. Like again, may mga unwanted or mga unsaid, I'm sorry. May mga bagay na hindi niya na nasabi. Explanation. Siguro mga trust issue, third party, three of coins. Selosan. Maybe this person, siguro napuno siya ng mga, I don't know, self-esteem. Wala siyang tiwala sa sarili or lack of confident or trust. Walang trust sa inyo or may mga past issue. And yeah, pati relationship ninyo or pagtitiwala nasira. O siguro may mga taong nanira sa inyong relationship, samahan. May mga third party. Guys, iba-iba yung third party ha. May nakikisawsaw sa inyong samahan or a new person, a lover. Yeah, kaya nasira ang inyong samahan or may mga chismis siguro na nasira, no? May narinig ka siguro mga chismis at yeah, that partnership nasira na. Nawalan ka na ng trust sa taong ito. But then somehow this person want to fix this situation. Dahil gusto niyang explain. May mga bagay na gusto niyang explain para sa inyo. Para magkaayos ito. Kasi this person believe that pure love lang, no? Yeah, I'm getting like, pagtotoong sincere ang tao sa inyo, especially if this is about friendship, no? Family. Pag totoong mahal na mahal ka ng taong ito, whatever situation, mistakes, tatanggapin mo. Iintindihin mo. Maintindihan mo tong taong ito. Kasi, mahal na mahal ka eh. Yeah. But, pero kung talagang nag-cheat sa inyo ito, kasi meron itong cheating eh. Lies, sinungaling, backstabber. Talagang mahirap na. Mahirap nang ibalik yung mga nakaraan. Yeah, marami din dito mga friendship, no? Friends na nasira. Family member, like again, no communication yung iba dito. This person still love you. Thinking about you from the past. Hoping, no, na may balik yung nakaraan. Yes, minsan parang nagkakaroon siya ng mga panaginip. I'm getting like this person might dream about you. Nagising sa gabi at ikaw ang naalala niya, na panaginipan niya. Meron itong na starstruck. Yeah. Malakas yung chemistry ninyo. And that's why this person para bang hinihila siya. Like again, could be twin flame yung iba dito. Parang hinihila siya na magkabalikan kayo. Na maayos ito. Okay. Ano pa? Ano pang mensahe ng tao ito para sa inyo? What else, Spirit? Can I just channeled message for my collective from the person in their mind? Channeled message. Don't rush into love. Wag magmamadali. Siguro mayroon dito nag-back out dahil ang bilis ng pangyayari. May nagmamadali dito. Siguro may mga realization kaya nasira. Yung iba dito. Kasi nagmamadali. Or meron ditong late na, no? May spark, chemistry, ang lakas ng chemistry nung nagkilala kayo, nagkasama kayo. And and then later on, may mga realization na nagsinungaling pala itong taong itong married na pala siya. Yeah, something like that, late realization, kaya nasira. Yeah, may nasirang pamilya. Parang, I'm getting like, ikaw siguro to naging mistress. May affair. May nakikialam. Or your person might be, have another third party, yung iba dito. Yeah. Ano pa? Another message from the person on their mind. Yes, I hate seeing you with someone else. Nagsiselos ang taong ito. Yeah, if you're happy right now, in a relationship, or like again, friendship, nagsiselos ang taong ito. Especially if you are already married, committed na sa iba, yeah, nagsiselos siya. Especially pag nakikita kanya sa social media, no, mga pictures, or pagka may narinig siyang mga good about you, sabihin natin na friends or family members na may narinig siyang kwento tungkol sa iyo na buntis ka sa bago mong kinakasama ngayon, or nagta-travel kayo ng kapartner mo, yan, nagsiselos siya. Akala niya makakarinig siya ng mga bad news about you and your new person. Yung mga in-expect niya, unexpected pala, na masaya ka na ngayon. Yeah, kasi I'm getting like, nagsiselos. Yeah, this person truly feel that hatred about you right now, na masaya ka na pala ngayon na wala siya. Yeah. Okay. When I saw you, I believe in love at first sight. Like again, a chemistry. Love at first sight. I don't know, somehow, may nakikialam siguro sa inyong situation kaya hindi naging kayo. May nag-back out. Siguro ng ghost. It's true, may feelings ang taong ito sa inyo. Siguro, maybe this person can't believe, no? Hindi siya makapaniwala. Siguro, napaka-successful mo, guwapo, matalino. You could be dealing with insecurity or beliefs, no? Iba yung mga beliefs, or may mga panirang tao, may nakikichismis, chinichismis na hindi maganda tungkol sa inyo, kaya na-discourage ang taong ito, kaya siguro nag-back out, but then later on, nagsisi ang taong ito, gustong bumalik. Yeah. Okay. I want to have kids with you. See? Fantasizing. Fantasizing you to have kids, to marry you, to be with you, daydreaming about you. I can't pick the perfect word to express how I feel for you. I love you. Like again, hindi niya nasabi. Hindi niya nasabi na mahal ka ng taong ito. Nagsisisi siya, and like again, para bang inuulit-ulit niya yung mga time na may magkasama kayo. Maganda pa yung sitwasyon ninyo. Or maybe you could be dealing torpe. Maybe you could be dealing with a person na mahilig humihingi ng tulong sa iba, kung paano kaligawan, paano I don't know, something about like coach. Like again, nasabi ko kanina, may coach, ano mo. So, yes, may mga kaibigan siguro siya, family member na humihingi siya ng something about coaching. Nagpapaturo. Paano kausapin ka. Paano express yung nararamdaman niya sa inyo. On the bottom here, someone wants to make love with you. Like again, guys, malakas dito yung fantasizing. Head over heels ang taong ito. Still stuck about you, want to return in love. Inlababo pa rin siya. Meron kasi dito na I don't know, committed na siguro siya, married na, and both parties siguro masaya na kayo pareho, but then again, maybe you could be like true love from this person. Hindi kanya malilimutan. Yeah. Kahit na ilang taon na nakalipas, ikaw pa rin yung nag-iisa sa puso niya. And ano pa? Okay. Final advice from the universe. So, that's it so far, mga kapatid. Kunin muna natin yung kanyang zodiac sign. Final. Okay. Sino tong tao? Okay. Pure love. Taurus. Spirit angels. Who is this person na pinagpapantasya ng ating mga collective? Chemistry. Dealing with our collective here. Sino siya? 1. It could be January. Maybe specific here, January sa inyo, August, 8, 18, you could be 18-year-old, bata pa, you could be dealing with, siguro, kadilin nyo is mas bata pa sa inyo or mas matanda pa sa inyo. Yeah, kasi meron tong coach. You could be dealing a teacher, boss, amo. Okay. Siguro, guys, kaya siguro nagkaroon kayo ng mga breakup situation, or walang pag-uusap dahil may ibang taong involved. Third party, or sinisiraan ka. Okay, secret admirer. Yes, this person secretly admiring you, thinking about you. Ano pa? Sino tong taong ka din ng ating mga collective? Number 4, April. You could be dealing about April person. This could be your birthday. 48. You could be dealing an elder person, Cancer. Ano pa? Final. Okay. 50 plus, like again, an elder, no? Matanda pa sa inyo. Could be a fam. Long distance. Like again, meron ka ritong admirer. This person's admiring you. Kariman sa dito, napaka-attractive ninyo. Ang lakas ng spark ng taong ito sa inyo. Or until now, siguro, this could be like again, nasabi ko kanina, soulmate. Soulmate, twin flame. Ang lakas ng that's the sign, mga kapatid, na siya talaga ang soulmate mo. Yeah, twin flame. Ano pa? Yeah, Scorpio. Again, Scorpio, malakas ang Scorpio dito. Confirmed. Could be 11 November. And Aquarius. This could be you or the person on your mind. So, final advice from the universe. Okay. Advice from the universe. Choose love. Like again, guys, piliin ang tunay na pag-ibig. Pag-ibig na siya makapagpapasaya sa inyo. If you're struggling with an obstacle or conflict, choose a path of love. Suffering, doubt, and frustration all transform in the presence of love. So show your love courageously. Show your love openly. Show your love with no string attached. It's safe to give and receive love. In fact, if you have a hard time with self-love, start outside yourself and work your way in. Showing love to others can be getaway for loving yourself. So love, love, love. Avoid third party. And love yourself. And tanggalin yung mga frustration, mga galit, jealousy. I guess mas dapat focus ka na lang sa sarili mo. No? Yeah. Self-care, self-love, choose your happiness. Whoever make you happy, then choose that person. And trust that person. Yeah. Embrace your sensitivity. Siguro yung iba sa inyo dito napaka-sensitive, no? Or lately, napaka-sensitive mo lately. Your sensitivity is the sacred gateway to your intuition. Is that special, receptive radar that picks up energy and signals. In fact, your sensitivity is one of your greatest assets and the key to your survival. The more you connect with it, the more miracles and synchronicities you'll attract. Yes, yes, okay lang kung sensitive ka, no? But again, guys, pay attention kasi yung pagiging sensitibo mong tao, minsan, no? Sabihin natin na alam mo na plastic na itong mga tao, no? Pinag-usapan ka na, and these people might be pretending na mahal ka, pretending na they care about you, but you know, alam mo kung sino sila na napaka-pretentious, and sinasabihan ka lang na napaka-sensitive mo, ano? Being sensitive is okay. Normal lang po iyon dahil nakaka-sense ka. Do not ignore that inner knowing or itong pagiging sensitivity mo, no? Nakakaramdam ka. So, yes, it's true. Whoever this person na sinisiraan ka, the sensitivity, nakaka-sense ka. Malakas itong instinct mo. So, follow your instinct. And yes, it's true na pinag-usapan ka ng taong ito, and it's a blessing. Blessings ito na nararamdaman mo itong sense of sensitivity. Dahil, may mga tao lang talaga na mahilig, anong tawag nito? Parang biniblame, no? Biniblame na ikaw yung makasalanan, biniblame na napakasensitibo mong tao. Gina-joke. Kasi may mga tao na mga nega, they're making a joke. But in reality, tinatamaan ka talaga nila para masaktan ka, para ma-offend ka. And then, pagka naramdaman mo yung joke na yun na hindi na maganda, sinasabihan ka na, ang baduy naman ng outfit mo. As an example, ha? Ang baduy ng outfit mo. And of course, lahat tayo may mga, nagkakaroon din tayo ng sensitivity. But if these people truly care about you, they don't have to be brutal to you. Hindi nila kailangan na maging brutal sa inyo, ano, para masaktan ka. Tapos ang pinapakita sa inyo, no, na mahal ka namin. No, they care about you, or we care about you. But you yourself, alam mo na there's something about these people na sinasadya ba nila ito na masaktan ka, na ma-offend ka? These people are pretending. But then again, guys, like again, sabihin natin na pagka kino-confront mo sila na ganito ganyan, hindi ka naman nakikipagplastikan sa kanila, but these people are like, no, I'm sorry ha, napaka-sensitibo mo lang, mahal na mahal ka namin. No, ang tunay na pag-ibig, or the people care for you, respect you, hindi ka nila sasaktan. Kasi mas inialala nila na yung feelings mo. Nirerespeto nila. But if these people doesn't respect you, your feelings, then stay away from these people. Okay lang na i-block mo sila. Okay lang na hindi mo kailangan yung tulong nila na makipagbalikan. Pretentious, mapanira. Kaya nga dito walang usapan, sinisiraan ka, pinagkaisaan ka. May mga tao kasi na mahilig mambaliktad ng sitwasyon. It's just that you can sense it. Na these people really doesn't care about you. Mga sinungaling, betrayal. It's okay. Pag itong mga taong ito magbabalik sa inyo, itong mga plastic, you don't have to be. It's okay to forgive, but you don't have to be together with these people again. No more. I'm done. Something like, Mom, no more. I'm done. I move on. Let go, let God. You don't deserve this kind of people. Yes, being sensitive, accept that. It's a sacred, sagrado ito. It's a gift from the universe na makakaramdam ka, na mararamdaman mo ito. Do not let these users to ruin you, to flip the situation. Baliktarin ang sitwasyon ninyo. Yes, you can go alone. Pwede ka namang mabuhay nang wala sila. Focus ka na lang sa finances mo, sa career mo, sa pagpapaganda, sa pagka-travel, hanggang tingin na lang sila sa inyo. Yeah. Kung may pagpapatawad man, deserve mo naman yung real, yung tunay na sincerity, no? Hindi yung ano lang, temporary. Just by words. Kailangan talaga may mga actions. Yeah. So, yes, accept this gift. Itong mga pakiramdam mo, yung mga struggle niyo mga kapatid, siguro yung sitwasyon na struggle ka dito sa taong ito, I think you just have to heal yourself. Let go, let God, move on, self-care, self-love. Then later on, babalik ang mga taong ito. Kasi doon, nag-attract ka. Nakikita nila something about radiation. I'm sorry guys ha. Rejuvenation. Mas gumaganda ka, nag-glow up ka, gumagwapo ka, mas nagiging matalino ka, mas nagiging something about uplifted, high-spirited. Kaya nga siguro mga low vibration ito mga kataong kasalamuha mo, ano? Mga insecure. So, keep growing, keep glowing, keep shining. May mga tao din siguro na overshadow mo. And yeah, you don't have to worry about these people mga kapatid. Just do what you can do. Focus on yourself na lang. Hayaan mo na sila. Alright? So I love you guys. I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. Congratulations and I'll see you guys in the next reading and thank you.